Hello, good day and welcome. I'm going to be answering JAMB 2010 Mathematics Past Question 27. If P is a matrix, a 2 by 2 matrix of 2, minus 3, 1 and 1. Now what is what's P inverse? That is P raised to the power of minus 1. Now A is given to us. We have 1 over 5, 3 over 5, 1 over 5, 2 over 5. B we have 1 over 5, minus 1 over 5, 3 over 5, 2 over 5. C we have minus 1 over 5, minus 1 over 5, 3 over 5, 2 all over 5, and D minus 1 over 5, minus 1 over 5, minus 3 over 5, and minus 2 over 5. Now we're given that P is equals to a 2 by 2 matrix of 2, minus 3, 1 and 1. Now first of all, before we can find the inverse of P, that's P raised to the power minus 1, let's first of all find the determinant of P. Let's solve for P first. Now P, now this is equals to 2 multiplied by 1 minus 3 multiplied by 1. Now this is equals to what? 2 minus 3, and this is equals to 2 plus 3, which is equal to 5. Now P is equals to 5. Now P raised to the power of minus 1 will be equals to 1 all over P, which we've gotten, which is 1 over 5. Now into, now there's a law. Whenever you have a reciprocal or inverse of a matrix, now something happens. Now the first thing that happens is that this here and this here will change their position, and then this and this will change sign. There will be a change in sign for this, and there will be a change in position for this. Now what do I mean? Now here we have 2 and 1, but it will change to 1 and 2. Here now we have minus 3 and we have 1 here, but to change to minus 1 and plus 3. So this is equals to, I told you, 1 over 5 into 1 minus 1 plus 3, 2. If you look at what I told you, I said this changed. Look at it. It was 2 we're having here, then 1 here, but it changed, so become 1 and 2. Then the sign of this one here, this vertical side, this diagonal side here will change to minus 3, and will change to plus 3 since it's minus I say, and minus 1 since it's plus I say, which is what we have. So from this now we have that P inverse is equals to, we'll now multiply everything of this box by 1 over 5. Now that will give us 1 times 1 over 5 will give us 1 over 5, minus 1 times 1 over 5 will give us minus 1 over 5, plus 3 times 1 over 5 will give us 3 over 5, and plus 2 times 1 over 5 will give us 2 over 5. So I can write this as 1 over 5 minus 1 over 5, 3 over 5, and 2 over 5. And if you look at this, that is option B. This is option B. So option B is the correct answer to this question. Thank you and God bless you. And subscribe to our channel for more videos and past questions.